What is up, everyone? I hope everyone's enjoying another new day so far. As you can tell, it's actually still too early to tell what kind of day we're looking at out there. Well, let's take it on anyways. I keep seeing snow showers in the forecast on the Weather Channel. You guys see snow? Because I sure don't. It's ridiculous that they'll hire anyone these days. And we all know why. Not gonna put it on this channel. You have to laugh. Abigail Spanberg seems to think raising the Virginia's base pay for employment is going to help with the affordability. It's not. If anything, everyone's just gonna raise their prices. Because they're having to pay so much, because they're having to pay more. That's what these Democrats don't seem to understand. You raise the minimum wage, prices everywhere go up. You guys, the challenge I wanted to set up for myself is to create an ambience video for you guys. And the best trick to do that with, basically loop it. Did it actually just make a sound? No, it did not. And I can actually speed that up, by the way, guys. So don't worry about that bit. It'll take up a little bit. This is the first step. Right. Next step is to start doing the video editing part. Loop it. You go to whatever video editing software you use. Upload the clip that you want to use. And then you loop it. You duplicate it. You use the crossfade. Let's see how it looks, because this is the recommendation it gave me. Not great. Hate to say it. So, I'll find another clip. fact, this is a clip I was hoping to use to begin with. Right here. Oh, that's not even a clip, that's a photo, that's a picture. You know what, guys, I'll just do a meditation. So, let's see here. Just do a simple video with meditation style, with some nice calm music. Give you guys an idea of what that's like. Oh yeah, another thing. You got to keep an eye on it as you do it. Here's a popular one. Popular meditation stuff right here. Let's go to my uploads, because my YouTube logo is there. I want you guys to see a little bit of that. Oh crap. Forgot about that. Background remover's coming. There we go. Download. Now it's time to go to my editing software. And I'm going to create what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a 15-minute video out of it, guys. And I need to see how many seconds are in 15 minutes. 900 according to my calculations. Yep, it's exactly the case. Now I need to go up here. Canva, or sorry, not Canva, Epidemic Sound. See if I can find meditation style music. And now I'm going to Epidemic Sound search, figure out the type of music I need. Alright, they've looked into it. Now I'm going to listen to it. Found some that I like, so let's do it. They're going to be in my most recent downloads, so right here. That one got me the most. So now I got to loop that. Now that I've got that looped, Let's see how it turned. I'm gonna go ahead and get a look at how it turned out. Then I'll show you guys. Alrighty everyone, now that that's done, I have it rendering and downloading. And then you guys can get to hear just how good it sounds. Hope you're ready. Guys, now that that's done, I want you guys to hear it. And believe me, it sounds incredible. Listen to how relaxing that sounds. You could definitely meditate to that. You could definitely fall asleep to that. Just listening to it, I want to fall asleep. But I can't because I have to be at work at 10. But just listen to that. Looped so perfectly, and that was the loop point right there. This is the loop point right in this general section. Between 2 minutes and 25 seconds and 2 minutes and 36 seconds. That's the loop point. You notice how seamless that is? I literally did a perfect job. Alright, now that I've completed my challenge, guys, I want you guys to see this. And Dems is short for Democrats. Look at their expanded tax proposals. They claim to want to make things more affordable, and then they pull this. How does that make any sense? It's been proven that the more tax you have to pay, the less revenue is actually coming in. That is proven. Thank you everyone for getting me to 438 subscribers. Thank you for getting me to that view count. Really am grateful to you guys. Really am. Now next time I have to be ready to go to work in the next 45 minutes, so you guys won't see me until after I get back. I'm back, everyone. I have had my dinner. Yeah. Oh, now I know how Bob Saget died, the actor, guys. Complications of a head injury. Yeah. I've got decent hours. I've actually got some decent hours this week. Question is, how long is that going to hold?